Hi everyone, and thanks for joining us. Today we're going to walk you through the iCabbi data suite, specifically the business overview dashboards and how you can use them to get real practical value from your data. This isn't just about reporting, it's about giving you the insights you need to make better decisions, improve performance and ultimately grow your business. We'll take you through each of the key dashboards and highlight how they can help you focus on what's working and where there are opportunities to improve.
Let's start with the overview dashboard. This gives you a clear month-by-month snapshot of your business over the past year. It brings together key metrics like total bookings, revenue, automation rates, as well as no-shows and cancellations all in one place. The real value here is speed and clarity. Within a few seconds, you can understand how your business is trending and spot any changes in performance. If you're looking for a quick, reliable answer to how's my business doing, this is where you start.
Next, we move into the bookings dashboard, which takes things a level deeper and helps you understand what's driving your demand. Here you can track automation rates over time, break down where your bookings are coming from and see how different booking types contribute to your overall volume. This is where you can start identifying opportunities to improve efficiency, particularly around automation, and ensure you're getting the most out of your booking channels. Ultimately, it helps you fine-tune how bookings are coming into your business.
The customers dashboard focuses on how your customer base is behaving and how that translates into revenue. You can compare a passenger revenue over the last 12 months against the previous year, track individual customer performance and identify your most valuable customers. One of the most powerful features here is the ability to spot customers who are previously very active but haven't booked recently. This gives you a clear opportunity to re-engage them, whether that's through targeted messaging or through promotional campaigns, helping you retain valuable business.
The drivers and vehicles dashboard is all about understanding your supply side. It gives you detailed insights into driver performance, including earnings, hours worked and acceptance rates, so you can see exactly how your drivers are contributing to your business. Alongside that, you can compare overall vehicle activity across the last 12 months versus the previous year. This helps you make more informed decisions around coverage, ensuring you've got the right number of drivers available at the right times to meet demand efficiency.
The ratings and reviews dashboard gives you a clear view of your service quality from the customer's perspective. You can track total reviews, average ratings and how those ratings are trending over time, helping you quickly identify any shifts in customer satisfaction. There's also a breakdown of how ratings are distributed along with driver-specific performance, so you can recognise top performers and support those who may need improvement. Combined with customer feedback, this gives you the insight needed to consistently improve the service you deliver.
The account work dashboard focuses on your account-based business and how it's performing. You can see the proportion of work coming from accounts along with key metrics like profitability, late rates and total jobs. It also allows you to track account revenue over time and compare it year on year, giving you a clear view of growth or decline. Importantly, it highlights accounts that have stopped using your service, giving you the opportunity to take action and win that business back.
The promo codes dashboard is all about understanding how your promotions are performing. You can track overall usage, see which promo codes are driving bookings and understand how customers are engaging with your campaigns. This helps you quickly identify what's working and where you might want to refine your approach. And if you're not currently using promo codes, this is a great opportunity to start exploring how they can support your growth.
Finally, the staff overview dashboard gives you visibility into your call centre operations. You can monitor how many staff are logged in throughout your day, track their online hours and assess staffing levels across different times and days of the week. It also provides insight into individual staff activity, helping you identify patterns, improve performance and spot any gaps in coverage. This allows you to optimise staffing levels, reduce inefficiencies and ensure you're always in a strong position to meet demand.
When you bring all of these dashboards together, you get a complete connected view of your business, from demand and customers to drivers, staff and service quality. And that's where the real value comes in, using these insights to guide your decisions, improve performance and focus on the areas that will have the biggest impact. Because the data is already there, it's just about using it effectively.
Thanks for joining us and we hope this gives you a clear starting point to get even more value from your iCabbi data suite.